going on, guys? It's us with Custom Offsets, Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. Today I'm joined by the one and only Cody Banker. Why?
This is the most excited I get.
All right, that's fair. And today's video is going to be a heater. So I'm super excited for this one. So Banker and I are gonna sit down, have a little chat, and here's the premise, right? If you had an unlimited budget, what are your dream trucks that you would build? We're gonna go in 4 total categories: mid-size, full-size, heavy-duty / diesel, right? And then basically all-out, pull at all the stops, one Sema truck. So
this was incredibly hard.
before we do that, though, if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, bumpers, headlights, taillights, performance parts, we have all of that at customoffsets.com. I think I got all of it, right? Did I miss something?
No, I think you got it all.
All right.
Most of it.
All right, Banker. Up first is the mid-size category. So let's talk about mid-size trucks. I know that they're your favorite ever of all time.
I have long legs. They don't fit. It's a fact.
That's fair. That's fair. I have short legs. Look, just you have like a whole foot extra.
Yeah.
On the. That's terrible. Okay, we did there. We went that. So I am picking the one and only Toyota Tacoma. Now,
What generation?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not the biggest Tacoma fan, which is ironic because I picked it for the video, but I don't think that you can deny that if you were going to build a midsize truck, there is no other midsize that has the support that Tacoma does, regardless if that's lifts, wheels, tires, accessories, if you're into like off-road, overland stuff. Like, there's just so many options out there that for me, that would be the only choice for me. Also, I like to camp, so it'd be nice to have like a little overland rig with like the pop-out, like the rooftop tent and the canopy and stuff. That'd be lit. I like it.
So you know how you pick something that has a whole lot of aftermarket support?
Yeah.
You're gonna notice a trend here. I picked something that has like literally none because I want to make custom
Okay, all right.
So mine was the first generation S10.
Ooh, like the old square nose?
Yeah,
Let's
the square body
go.
ones. Because it would be a dope pre-runner, and nobody really does it, and that's what I want to do.
That would be nasty with like a big long travel,
Yeah.
like hack the back of the frame off so you can,
With an LS in it. And
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big tube front bumper and like the rally lights on top. Good luck finding a clean one up here.
Well, yeah, you can't find them up here.
Good luck finding a clean one anywhere.
There's places. I hear Arizona has trucks.
Yeah, they're just all like buried up to the doors in sand. It's fine.
It's fine.
That
means the paint's already gone.
Yeah.
Fresh start.
Yeah, you don't worry about it. It's already sandblasted because of the
See?
winds.
Exactly.
One step ahead.
Patina.
Let's change gears here a little bit. Let's talk about full-size pickups. So when we talk full-size, we have to make sure that we clarify here. Actually, you made sure that I clarified here. When we talk full-size, it's half-ton only.
Correct.
It's not 3/4 1-ton because that's the heavy-duty stuff. So
You had a lot of 3/4 tons on this list before.
yeah, I know. Listen, I like 3/4 ton trucks. Okay, leave me alone. What are you picking? Do you remember, or do you need me to look?
I remember.
All right.
You're gonna laugh.
What do you got?
The 2019 to 2021, very specific.
Yep.
Chevy Silverado 1500.
You had one.
Yeah, and if I wasn't poor, I'd have more of them, and I'd still have that one. That was literally my favorite truck. And then they came out with the 22s and put a freaking unibrow on the hood, and I hate it.
Just not a fan.
Like, it took a while for the 19 body style to grow on me, and once I had one, I absolutely loved that truck. And like, I would literally, for everything I do, I would own one for everything, for every season. I would have one if I could.
Yeah, I think yours looks super good as well because like with the aftermarket bumper, you're one of the only guys I knew that actually cut the the eye piece thing underneath the headlight, and it just looked good, despite the rock chip in the door. It's ironic that you picked that one because on the other side of the coin, same but different, I would go 2020 plus GMC Sierra. I like the Silverados. But I just can't, other than yours, because it had like the cut headlight piece, I just can't get behind the headlight design on those.
That's fair.
And then like the Sierras to me just look that little bit better because they have kind of the more blocky headlight style. For me, that just does it. I dig that.
I like the GMCs too.
Yeah.
You know what drives me, like, the biggest reason I don't want a GMC?
What?
Red logos.
I'm
that petty.
That's
and
fair,
you can change
honestly.
them, I'm aware, but the steering wheel still has it.
Yep, that's true.
It bothers me. And Denali's, chrome.
Yeah, see, I like chrome. I like polish. I don't know, maybe I'm an old man at heart.
not just at heart.
Okay, I'm just an old man.
Ho, ho, ho! Happy holidays, everyone!
I'm not actually Santa Claus. Good news though, right now we have 12 days of holiday deals, which means that every day between now and the 12th, you can unwrap a brand new deal at customoffsets.com. The deals are all sorts of crazy stuff, but the first one is every wheel and tire package gets a gift card valued up to $200, so hurry up and check it out before this promo's over.
All right, let's talk heavy duty trucks.
Yep.
HDs, right? Like
Yep.
tow rigs.
Yep.
There's only one answer to this for me. It's a 5th gen Cummins.
I knew that was coming.
I mean, you have to. A Delmonico Red 5th gen dually Ram, right? With the HO package and the heavy towing package. Tow like 40,000 pounds, makes like 850 million foot-pounds of torque. Just kidding, it's actually like 1,200. That's a lot. But like, I don't know, tow 40,000 pounds around, be comfortable, big screen in the dash. This looks good. I'm in.
I don't hate the Rams. I don't dislike them. But I picked a 2020 plus GMC AT4
Oh, okay.
because the AT4 doesn't have chrome.
Yes, and they look fantastic. Like JW Montoya just built that black one. I don't know if you've seen that yet. Looks super, super good. And then, yeah, same thing. That GMC front end looks great.
Yes.
Fire.
Yes.
It's a solid option.
It's a great looking truck. I wish I could get one.
I just want a dually. That's it. I wish you could still get a dually and manual.
Can you not?
No,
That's fucking stupid.
they stopped in like 2019.
Why would you want to stick?
All right, I don't know, because there's something about, yeah, just banging gears just makes
No.
you feel like a man.
This is why you want to stick, right? Because your fondest memories are hauling chopper boxes on flat ground from a field to a farmyard with a stick.
I don't know about
then it's
flat
fun.
ground, but
it's
yeah.
fun, right? Yeah, that's fun.
Yeah, okay.
Driving in traffic every day when you got to sit at this
All
light for
right.
3 cycles,
I don't
trying
know,
to leave work.
my 92 was stick shift too. I loved that. It was great. Until I choke it out all the time. Anyway,
That doesn't make any goddamn sense.
that was a solid choice though. I dig the AT4s are great trucks, especially the HDs. I think they look fantastic.
Same.
Little powder coat, little 7 to 9 inch lift on there. Shoo!
Not like a 12-inch.
Flop it out there. Holy sh!
Big truck.
All right, let's pull out all the stops. Last category we have to talk about today is if you were gonna build a Sema truck, right? You have an unlimited budget. You can do whatever you want to, right? What are you building?
Your list is going to be shorter. You go first.
For me, I think it would be wicked cool to do like a 1st gen dually Cummins. Like a really well done frame off. Like RCD did that one. I don't know if you saw that one at that was at SEMA this year. But they're like custom boxed frame with all like the stars and stripes. Like that level of detail on a 1st gen Cummins is so cool to me because it's such an iconic truck from like our childhood. And then the fact that it's super custom, super well done. It's got countless hours into it where the fab work and design and everything, just super dope.
So,
Because
this is a SEMA build in an unlimited budget,
yeah, and you're a SEMA builder. You did that twice.
yeah, I would do things that I am not even capable of because I have an unlimited budget now.
Okay.
Square body 3+3.
Do I know what that is?
If you don't know what that is, it's just a factory crew cab square body.
Okay.
12 valve P pump.
Mm-hmm.
Super Duty axles.
Mm-hmm.
Tube frame. Any level.
That would be wicked. That would be so badass.
Flatbed if you're feeling spicy.
Oh, dually or no?
Either or.
That's fair.
Throw a little side-by-side action on the back.
That's what I'm saying. That'd be wicked. Like, that would cost so much money.
It was an unlimited
I know.
budget.
I'm just the pessimist in me is like, oh my god, that's $500,000 we've just spent
If not more.
on a truck that's worth $100,000 when you're done with it.
Yeah. but it's cool.
Well, there you have it, guys. There is our dream truck builds if money didn't matter and, dollar values were made up. What's your dream truck build? Let us know down in the comments section below. And as always, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
It's 2021. Dollar values are made up.
And with that, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.